Welcome to the future of marketing with 360 Ascension, your all-in-one solution designed to elevate your business to new heights. Gone are the days of managing multiple software tools, struggling to integrate them, and draining your budget in the process. With 360 Ascension, we've streamlined everything you need under one powerful platform, saving you time, money, and headaches. Picture this: a seamless workflow where your customer data seamlessly flows from lead capture to nurturing and finally to conversion. That's the power of our comprehensive CRM system, meticulously crafted to give you deep insights into your leads and customers, enabling you to build stronger relationships and close deals faster. But wait, there's more. Our funnel builder empowers you to create stunning, high-converting sales funnels with ease. No more jumping between different tools or dealing with complicated setups. With 360 Ascension, it's as simple as drag, drop, and launch. And let's not forget about your online presence. With our intuitive website builder, you can create beautiful, mobile, responsive websites that not only showcase your brand in the best light, but also drive conversions like never before. No coding skills required. Just your creativity and our user-friendly interface. But we're not done yet. Our robust marketing automation suite puts your marketing efforts on autopilot, allowing you to engage your audience with personalized messages at the right time, every time. From email campaigns to SMS blasts, from WhatsApp messages to social media chats, we've got you covered on all fronts. And here's the kicker. With 360 Ascension, you'll not only save time by having everything in one place, but you'll also save a significant amount of money each month. Just think about it. No more juggling multiple subscriptions, no more paying for features you don't need, and no more hidden costs creeping up on you. With 360 Ascension, what you see is what you get, and what you get is a complete marketing solution that's both powerful and affordable. So why wait? Take the first steps towards marketing success today and sign up for our 14-day free trial. Experience the difference that 360 Ascension can make for your business and never look back.